Mille RM 5004 Tourbillon split seconds chronograph watch with caliber RM 5003 manual winding tourbillon movement with odds minutes split seconds chronograph 30 minutes totalizers and power reserve torque and functions indicators. This extremely technique RM 5004 caliber is fitted with a split seconds chronograph, tourbillon and grade 5 titanium and carbon TPT movement. That weight is just 7 grams. To combine these complications with a single mechanism required perfect transmission of energy to ensure faultless operation. The need to reduce friction led the research team to improve the profile of the teeth and the barrel and the second wheel pinion. The latter led to excellent distributions of torque and an optimized output. The combination of the tourbillon escapement and chronograph paired with the unprecedented fine skeletonizations make this particularly innovative. Watch the absolute chronograph perfection. The colors used on C38 single seater are showcased on the bezel and caseback in with white quartz TPT. This is achieved by interlaying 600 layers of silicon, each 45 micro thick, and impregnating them with a white matrix before heating them to 120 degree to an autoclave. This process gives the material a very high resistance weight ratio, non-allergens properties and excellent resistance to UV rays. Developed by Northern Plate Technology, the technique is also used on the carbon TPT middle, but this time using carbon fibers. Radicals can also be seen within the movement, particularly on the carbon TPT flank and chronograph counters and the power reserve torque and functions indicator. The combination of these technical solutions gives this complex piece exceptional resistance tested in-house with impact of 5000 Gs.